Hi, it's Maddie from Third Piece, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work a foundation chain for crochet. I'm just going to make a slip knot, and if you don't know how to do that, we have a video on it. Once again, quickly, the way I do it is I flip the working yarn over the tail to create like a little loop, and then I reach through the loop and I grab the working yarn and I pull the tail. And now it's an adjustable knot when you pull on the tail or the working yarn. So I'm going to grab my crochet hook. I'm using a size L, which is 8mm and baby chunky. So I will put the I will put the yarn on the crochet hook and tighten it, so it has some room to move around. Not too tight, but not too loose. Hold the crochet hook in your right hand and hold the working yarn that's attached to the ball in your left hand. And I also like to wrap the working yarn around my index finger just because it gives you good mobility with that. And then I hold my slip knot or whatever I'm working on between my thumb and my middle finger. So then just to make a chain, I'm going to wrap the working yarn from back to front. So I'll do that one more time. Around, back to front. And see, now your crochet hook is ready to grab the yarn, and I'm just going to pull that through the slip knot. So that's my first chain stitch right there. And I have one loop on my hook. And again, back to front, and then pull that working yarn through the loop on your hook, and that's another chain stitch. And you can see these make cute little V's or chains, and that is what a stitch is. So when you crochet on top of this foundation chain, this is what you'll be crocheting into, these two little V's. So to start a crochet project, you normally start with a foundation chain. So say it says, chain 10. So this would be 1, 2, and this loop on your hook does not count. So let's do 10. So I'm going to wrap around from back to front, and I'm going to pull through the loop on my hook. And now that's 3, around, pull through. Keep doing that until you have as many chains as you need. And this is also the same, chaining is the same in a crochet pattern. So maybe it'll say like single crochet 1 and chain 2. So this action of wrapping the working yarn around the crochet hook and pulling it through the loop is what a chain is. So there you have your foundation chain.